near Barnby Lane. Okay, time now is 14:33. This will be the 1428 LNER Azuma from London King's Cross to York. Oh, I like that. Nah, it's not going to work. I want to get a thumbnail of this one. But it's nice shot that. I might get that next closure. It's a bit better. Rest my arm on gate. We've got another one due here at 14:40, so we might as well stay for it. Yeah, we'll stay for a bit longer yet. It's only 2:30. Well, 25 to 3. It's always nice and peaceful at these crossings. I do like them. It's better than Claypole, because Claypole's on the main road. It's still a good crossing though. Here we are, I can see him coming up in distance. Well, ever since we started off at Carlton-on-Trent, we've been here quite a few hours. Here he is. York. $801-204 for York. God, they don't half check overheads when they pass. Osterfen Lane level crossing in Lincolnshire. Loud alarms. Okay, time now 14:27 hours. This will be the delayed 14:14 LNER Azuma from London King's Cross to Leeds. Yeah, because we've got that coming, so that's first. Got Lumo approaching as well, not far. Might just be able to get across. And then finish off at Barnby Lane. And we will do that, I think. We will do that, I think. Yeah, so D15 near Claypole. I'm surprised the lowered us quite early. Has Claypole gone? Obviously. Claypole had gone. Yeah, Claypole's gone. And Barnby Lane will have gone as well. Barnby Lane's only up there. I think it's further up Barnby Lane. We'll find it. I can see it from here, Barnby Lane. Here we are. And then shortly back down again for London King's Cross to York, N85. To be fair, there's one really shortly after this. I might be staying on it, it's Lumo. Just passing Claypole now. Here we are. One 105 for Leeds. Wow. Yeah, we are staying for that. Next, the 1432 LNER Azuma from Edinburgh to London. Claypole loop, let's have a look. Half-2 now. $14.28. That's delayed as well. Delayed $14.28 LNER Azuma London York. Here he is. Just passing Barnby Lane. This is your Lumo. Lumo! Should have said Lumo, I said LNER, I forgot. There they go. See you shortly.